Scrap HTV doesn't have to be waste, scraps make hats. It doesn't take much vinyl at all to create a hat. Having a carrier sheet to use inside your vinyl cutter will enable you to use every inch of your vinyl for any smaller project. Creating custom hats with heat transfer vinyl is easy to do and a great way to make some extra income. In today's video, we're going to share a few things to know when you first start working with baseball caps and HTV. First thing is to make sure that you have some heat resistant tape and a small pressing pillow on hand before starting. The heat resistant tape is used to hold your transfer down in place on your hat, and the small pressing pillow is placed underneath the hat if it's needed to fill any empty space between the lower platen. All types of HTV look great when put on caps, but thicker vinyls that give a raised 3D look like Glitter, Caesar Brick 600, or Caesar Easy Puff are some of the more popular options because of this. You can also layer HTV for multicolored designs. It's recommended to use a thinner vinyl on the lower layers for best results. You also don't have to limit your designs to just the top and front of the ball cap. Place HTV along any part of the hat that has cloth fabric on it. The bill is also covered by a fabric and can have heat transfer vinyl applied to it as well. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email using the information shown here on your screen. Have a great day.